ifi efo twabuka ku kirubi kyalikwata ifi putulwa fitatu kyalikwata amaswampu kyakwata na umulundu elo kyakwata nefishi so ifi twafuma muli ka island kambi eno mba tuleta pukila muli ka island kambi ukundeso nto munoku ekwatuntukila omulonga wa Kyambeshi elo oku ekwatuntukila omulonga wa Lwapula elo fyatuntukila muli leki Bangweulu emumana ukalamba waba kuno ku kirubi aishi ndeta pukila muli ka island kambi kwenda kwesu konse twatetekela lesa wamweo kwishwa okuti ewa ikata obumi. This is how we move in Kirubi Island. Kirubi is made up of geographical area. It has mainlands, swamps and islands. So I'm from one of the islands going to one of the islands. So I'm crossing the stream using the small canoe, very little canoe that cannot compare even to a boat. So this is a canoe. We are in a canoe with my brother who is paddling there. We are going to another island towards Kirubi Boma. So we are in a canoe, dear father, parents, brothers and sisters in the Lord. Continue praying for me and continue committing me to the Lord. I'm crossing this lake because of the gospel. Because minus the gospel you cannot cross, but nothing we can do just to cross and reach out to people and put them the gospel to them. May God be with you, dear Father.